last award for the evening, and this is for the much anticipated Movie Actress of the Year.
This is the dream of every actress, a star trophy. And the roster for our Movie Actress of the Year is very remarkable. Let us watch the powerful performances of our actresses for the year.
For Movie Actress of the Year, Gina Alajara, Monday first screening.
Gusto mong ipamula sa akin na hindi ako karapat-dapat na magkaroon ng kasama sa buhay.
Nora Ono, Catherine Bernardo, A Very Good Girl. Sharon Cuneta, Family of Two.
Nasaktan ako.
Ma! Usap naman tayo.
Hindi ako tanga.
Ma, alam ko naman yan. Hindi mo naman iniisip yan sa'yo.
Pero dun sa ginawa mo, parang gano'n na nga.
Ay Aida Las Alas, Litrato.
Yung litrato ng anak ko at yung apo ko, hindi ko na matatandaan kung saan ko nakakinaga.
Alessandra De Rossi, What If?
I don't even know how to take care of anything or maybe I just don't deserve to be in any relationship.
Gladys Reyes, Apag.
Isang pamagsangtang kaso.
Marian Rivera, Rewind.
May anak ba talaga ako?
Paano ka? Alam mo yung pakiramdam na gusto mo ulit mabuhay?
Maricel Soriano,
Hindi ko pwede gawin para sa anak ko.
and Vilma Santos, Aray!
Ilang beses ko ba sinabi sa'yo yung kaya ko? Lumo ka talaga.
Ang hirap naman mamili. Yan, Lucy. How did you do this? Ang hirap! And the grand reveal is about to unfold. And the star movie actress of the year is... Sabay-sabay naman tayo. Kinakabahan kasi ako.
Okay, let's do this. The star for Movie Actress of the Year goes to... For the very first time in Philippine Awards history, we have a triple tie! Congratulations!
Congratulations to our national artist, Nora Ono, for him.
Diamond Star is Marcel Soriano! His mother's side.
And we say congratulations to the star from all seasons, Ms. Vilma Santos, for When I Met You in Tokyo.
Presenting the trophy is for the BMPC, our BMPC President Rodel Fernando, with additional prize of 25,000 for each from Playtime, presented by Playtime's Ambassadress, Binibini Pilipinas, Samantha Acosta, and Playtime Lead Marketing, Jan Yamado.
First time in awards history, we got a triple tie for our Movie Actress of the Year. Congratulations once again to Miss Nora Honor, Miss Vilma Santos, and Miss Maricel Soriano.
Maria. Ay! Akala ko masisimulan. Excited. Kasi matagal kami hindi nag-kita. Ano ba yun? Nagsisisa lang kami dalawa ko. Maraming salamat. Sa tatlong award na natanggap mo yung dito. Sa PMPC. Salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga fans. Maraming salamat po na kayo papadaan. Siyempre, hindi ko naman in-expect ito. Alam ko ha. Si Ate yan, si Ate Guy ang mananalo dito. Sa dalawa. Ay nasali ako, napakaswerte ko naman. Unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Siyempre nangunguna na dyan yung matangkad, matapos si Inong, at listo siya. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Okipang. Dick, ating dalawa tawagan mo yan. Diba? At siyempre po sa aming staff ito, maraming salamat sa kanila. At syempre po, hindi makakalimutan ang aming magaling na direktor, si F.M. Reyes. Direk, maraming salamat for bringing the best in me. Salamat talaga. Para sa inyo to, mga may diferensya. Maraming salamat sa PMPC talaga. At syempre sa aming producer, si Flor. Sis, eto, may nangyari na rin. So, wakas, di ba? Maraming salamat din sa'yo. At syempre yung aking anak doon, si LA. LA, congratulations. At para sa iyo din to, anak. Salamat po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Di po nakapunta si Ate V tonight at masama po ang pakiramdam. Kaya nagpapaumanhin po siya sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Ate V, I would like to receive this award for her. It has been a great pleasure working with Ate V in our first movie venture. We are so lucky to have her in this film. We learned a lot from her. She has been helping us, guiding us, along with Boyet De Leon, every aspect of making this movie possible. Her many years of experience and dedication in her craft and support in this industry has really helped us make this film successful. We are forever be grateful to her and Boyet for taking the risk in accepting our movie project. We at JJ Productions, as a new producer, appreciate this kind of award giving body in recognizing our efforts, hard works, and financial risk. Hence, we will continue to produce more movies in order to support this industry. Thank you so much to the men and women behind PMPC Awards, and more power to you. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank my partners, Rajan and Kay, and our EP Rahina Magno, who's not here also tonight. She's out of town. And to all men and women behind making tirelessly work for making this movie possible. Thank you so much to all our stars and supporting actors. We appreciate you all. RTV, congratulations for this third Best Actress Award in our movie, When I Met You in Tokyo. You really deserve it and get well soon. Thank you, Lord. Nagpapasalamat po ng taos-puso si Ate B sa patuloy na pagbibigay po ng bugay sa kanyang craft. Hindi po siya nakapunta ngayong gabi pero malaking pasasalamat po sa mga bumubuo ng PMPC. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you very much and good night everyone.
Nais ko lang po magpasalamat sa taas, sa ating Panginoon, na ngayon ay hindi pa naman pinagpapalala. At siyempre, yung mga mahal sa buhay, mga tagapagtakbo, hindi dahil sa kanila. Siguro walang moral talaga sa pero hindi pwede mawala kahit walang malaking nakakabuhin, tandaan nila. Maraming salamat. Congratulations. Tagal na naman may nagkita eh. Congratulations at to be. Congratulations na. Ano namin kayo. Salamat.
What a night! This 40th edition of the Star Awards for movies is really for the books.